We're going to dig into some deep cuts, some Megadeth tracks here throughout the set. Some stuff you probably haven't heard in many, many years and may never hear again. Unless
you come see us again, then maybe.
So anyway, we're having a good time with this. And thanks so much to all the people, the ladies and gentlemen you're going to see here tonight. Took the Friday night off. They could be out making money, doing all kinds of cool Nashville shit. But they decided to play heavy metal with all of us. So we give a big shout out to them for that.
And we do have a new book and record. Some of the songs we're playing tonight are off that record.
So my dear friend, drummer in the back, we formed a band together called F5. Have any of you heard of that? Dave, well, you were Dave Small, now you're Dave Bedell. Because you moved to Nashville and they get a stage name. Actually, that's his real name, believe it or not. So, anyway, take it away, man.